Hi friends, I apologize if my voice is slow here. If you can't hear enough volume, I'm not carrying the other mic actually. And today I came here to talk about a topic here. So I have taken admission at master's level, Fine Art College. Okay. So as you know, Starseeds Twin Flames, we are posted in certain areas, like posted as in it's just what we do, it is our job, it is our role. So being here, now that I'm here, I've seen the systems. I'm seeing the systems how it is, and as far as the painting department goes in our college here, there is no student council yet. The ragging forms, anti-ragging forms are not accepted, which is very important. Actually, this college where I'm studying, where I've taken admission, I don't know how long I'll be here, because Starseeds always have an issue with the system. So I don't know how long I will be here, but as long as I'm here, for me, right now I'm dealing with root chakra mastery, okay? And there is nothing better than being in the field and dealing with it, because that is the only way we can activate your DNA, okay? So right now I'm right in the middle of it, and this is my style of making videos. You know that this is my style of relating with my community, you know that, because until we ground something, it is just talk. And if you just talk but don't do something, you're not really embodying the divine masculine, which creates obstacles to your reunion, okay? So root chakra is all about practically doing things. There is a wonderful student, in our batch. So he has a lot of root chakra energy. He's very silent, but he doesn't talk much. He does a lot of work, okay? So he has that heavy root chakra energy, and there is a lot of root chakra and clay work and so many root chakra archetypes in his paintings. It's very interesting. So this college is a very interesting place. Being an artist, studying art is very interesting, but this college where I'm studying is known for having incidents like rape and other issues. This place has that kind of an energy, because I feel the systems lack that discipline, okay? That discipline that is required is lacking here, okay? So what do I mean by that? Okay, so as you know, Starseeds are targeted because they really are changing the system at the unconscious mind level. So it really brings up people's stuff. So it all started with the entrance test. When I was giving my entrance test, there was this sweeper lady, and when we were doing the exam, we were giving the exam, she was sweeping loudly, and I told her to sweep later because exam is going on. Now this is the responsibility of the teacher that is in charge of the examination hall, and because of that process I lost like 15 minutes in my entrance test when I could have completed my work, okay? So now the teacher was not doing his responsibility, okay? And the sweeper obviously didn't listen to me, okay? So from that day onwards, I'm being targeted by that same sweeper who has teamed up with other sweeper companies, peon companies, okay? And there was a teacher also that teamed up with this group of peons, and she happens to be a class teacher, okay? So she's very good friends with this peon lady who was targeting me. And yeah, so from that day onward, just because I asked her to come later, don't disturb. So you see the kind of a bullying atmosphere that exists at this college, okay? So now I am put here in this environment, okay? So now what can I do? I have to play my role. I don't have a choice, okay? Because if I don't play my role, then my divine masculine is going to keep investing his energies in the dark side, because I have to clear this fear from my root chakra, okay? So I was very, because in our MFA level, it's a master's level, right? So we have aesthetics, we have art history, and we talk about art. And art is about the society. It's about the issues that go on in the society, okay? So since these are societal issues, okay, we can't run away from them as artists. Okay, we can't run away from them. And we were discussing different artworks, and we were studying the different periods. Okay, there was this progressive movement, there was this period, there was that period, there were different periods. Okay, so we were talking about different revolutions. Okay, in art history, in aesthetics, we were talking about different revolutions. So right now what is happening is a revolution is happening, and that is the starseed revolution, that is the twin flame revolution, that is the light worker revolution. Okay, and this revolution is one of my favorite revolution, because it is changing the system at the energetic level, that is beyond the third dimension, as you all know. Okay, so that is why this is so crucial. This is so crucial. This is so important. This is so unique. This is so beautiful. Okay. That said, during the class, I also spoke about this movement. Yeah, that we are star seeds and all of that. Because how else can I balance my throat chakra, guys? Because throat chakra is about expressing your truth. Okay, it's difficult. It's difficult because you are alone and you're dealing with this, but you're not really alone, because your support system is with you. Okay, and the support system comes from the higher dimensions. Okay, so yeah, and I spoke about this. So when I spoke about it, there were some guys, some men, let's just say students, because this is the MFA level, that understood, okay, but were quiet. They were not supportive, they were just detached, okay, but they were thinking about it. And there were some guys, some students that were obviously triggered by it. Okay, and as you know, that is our job. Our job is to trigger, our job is to trigger, because only through triggering does healing happen. Okay, and just by virtue of like people like us, we don't need to talk. Okay, we don't need to talk, just our energy is enough, our presence is enough. That's why without saying anything, I was targeted. Okay, because when I was giving the entrance exam, I had this peon come. Okay, I had this peon come and basically disturb me. Okay, and the examiner at that time, he invalidated, okay, my issue that I was having. Okay, so these may be small issues, but people are dying with pandemics. People are dying with pandemics if the issues in the system are not tackled. Okay, the issues in the system have to be tackled. Okay, and I saw the fear in people's eyes. I saw, like, so much of suppression is happening in our collective. People are not speaking up for their rights. Okay, people are the divine masculine is completely suppressed here. Okay, the divine masculine is completely suppressed here. No. Anyway, so when I spoke about the truth, the reality, the real nature of the masculine feminine energy as part of my aesthetics class, as part of my history class, so obviously some boys were triggered. And since after they were triggered, their behavior turns very negative. But it's about facing these things. It's about facing these things, because for me, I'm not afraid if I'm expelled from this college, because for me it is about mastering my root chakra, right? It's about mastering my root chakra. So right now I'm going through the root chakra activation, the root chakra mastery. Okay, if I even able to inspire 2 people. Okay, and I saw those 2 people. I saw 3-4 people that were inspired. Okay, I saw 5 people that were inspired. Okay, that's it. And also there is the sculpture department, in which there is this group of really rowdy boys, and they were also creating issues. Okay, because they were again disturbing, targeting, and I'm thinking, there is no authority figure that will maintain some sort of a control on these people. Okay, so yeah, this is what was going on. Okay, So currently, and the rules say there are rules fixed in the college. Anti-ragging forms have to be submitted. Student council has to be submitted, but those rules are not followed. Okay, currently there is no student council. Okay, I spoke to the principal and she's telling that we are waiting for the approval, but I need something concrete that the student council will be formed. Okay, the student council will be formed, and also the anti-ragging certificates should be, an anti-ragging affidavit should be taken. The anti-ragging affidavit should be taken. Each and every student should sign that certificate. Okay, because this college is known for cases of rapes, is known for a lot of ragging. This used to be that kind of a 8th house energy. It still is, because I can feel that 8th house energy, that hidden bullies, all that energy I can feel. And somebody has to do something about it. Whether I will get support or not get support, I don't know, but I have to do my part. Okay, because this is a fine art college, and that connects with my purpose. Okay, women empowerment connects with my purpose, fine arts connects with my purpose, spirituality connects with my purpose. Okay, these three are my departments. So if these three are my departments, then I have to integrate my masculine, and I have to just question these systems. Okay, and we'll see how things go from here. But there is a lot of ragging and there's a lot of bullying that takes place in colleges. And colleges are the educational institutions that come before the main corporate world, or the government or the government structures, whatever. Colleges is like the birthplace. So if this level of society is really purified, so to say, balanced, aligned, structured, okay, then we can, because this is a college, this is the foundation. It's the foundation for the society. People study here, people learn here. The energetic environment of a college is very important, because it sets the foundation for the society that we are creating. Okay, because these people go out and they are the ones who will create the society, right? I mean, before the real world, what do you have? You have your first you have your home, first you have your womb. You keep getting all these sanskaras in your womb, in the mother's womb. Okay, then after the womb you have the family. Okay, after the family you have the school. Okay, and after the school you have the college, and after the college you have the real world. That is the work environment. Okay, it's the work environment, and it is the real world out there. Okay, so this is how reality is. This is why Twin Flames came here, to look into the systems, to bring about changes in the systems, to awaken people. Okay, and very interestingly, the theme that we were working on, which our teacher had given us, was the topic of our painting was environment. Okay, so if you're going to be a real artist rather than just an academic artist, you have to be responsible towards your environment. When you start to conceptualize on this theme of environment, what kind of an environment do we live in? An environment where the teachers are biased, an environment where harassment, bullying happens and it's denied, an environment where people are not angry about the way things are, because you should be angry. You should be angry because things are not right the way they are. Like, we don't have lockers. Okay, we don't have lockers. The anti-ragging certificate is not submitted. Student council is not formed. Okay, we have peons that are bullying. We have teachers that are not worth. We have professors, like sub-professors or whatever, that are not worth being called professors. Okay, because they themselves are engaging in bullying, right? So I was specifically targeted because I was questioning things. But I don't have a choice. This is my job, guys. This is my job. I came here for this, and I have my support system with me. It's obvious that when you are in sadhana and you increase your light quotient so much that the negative energies are going to get triggered. So let them get triggered. But through the process, you also inspire people. The main thing that we do is we activate the DNA, okay? Because I am like a giant stamp, okay? Because divine feminines, they impress on the collective consciousness at the unconscious mind level. So my decisions are not mine. This is not a personal ego thing. My decisions will shape the collective feminine. So think about that. Think about that level of responsibility that I'm coming from. I'm not doing a government job for security. And very interestingly, I am provided for. It's like I do my karma, and the money comes for me. The support comes for me. And the more that I do my soul purpose, the more the support that comes to me, okay, through various means. So, because there is another system, no? We just know the 3D system. We know job, we know business, we know, self-employed. We know the 3D setup, but we don't know the secondary higher dimensional system, the energetic system, how things work. Finances can come through different means. Okay, but the energetic alignment has to be there. So that is the difference between third dimension and fifth dimension. Okay, so tomorrow is 11/11, and it is such a coincidence that whenever there are these high energy portals, I have noticed that I'm called to act. So tomorrow is 11/11, and I'll have to go and just inform the authority figures about it, because the authority figure, the police official, is also part of the students council, which is yet to be formed. Okay, or whenever it is supposed to be formed, it should be formed. Okay, the anti-ragging affidavit should be signed. Okay, and this bullying should stop. This bullying should be questioned. Because if this bullying is not stopped legally, then I will also turn into a bully. Because I'm not suppressing my divine masculine. My divine masculine is watching me. It's about activating the DNA of the collective consciousness. It's about impressing on the divine feminine consciousness, collective consciousness. Okay, so 18 minutes down, and I think I will stop by now. Okay, and yes, this is a fine art college, but due to lack of discipline, a lot of negative incidents have happened here. Okay, and they start from such small issues being ignored. So I'm not going to ignore the small issues. Because as my teacher taught me today, I have to be responsible for my environment. Oh, the teacher didn't teach me that. I taught the teacher that. It's me. I taught the teacher. The teacher just gave me an art topic. She's doing a job for her bread and butter. I taught the teacher to be responsible for her environment. Okay guys, I will see you again. If you like my artworks, check out my artworks. Check out my Instagram page. Okay, and like my video, share my video. If you want it, subscribe. You can subscribe to my channel. And the most important thing is this path is not about social media. Okay, this part is about groundwork. Okay, this path is about groundwork. Okay, and in your journey, you will be asked to do all of this. Okay, whichever department that you are in. Okay, twin flame journey is not a romantic journey. It's not. Twin flame journey is not a romantic journey. It's a journey about embodying your divine masculine and divine feminine selves, which calls you to change the system. Okay? I'm going here. Okay, here we have a friend. See, we have a friend. So he's looking at me. Hi. Okay, so this is a vehicle of Lord Shani that we see, and I get a lot of communication from nature this way. Okay, I don't know if I captured the crow. I was talking about this crow. Okay, so Shani actually means the system. Okay, Shani means the structure, and Shani means the divine masculine, which is suffering from a lack of it. Okay, so I'll be signing off for now, and this is what I have to say for today, and I will see you next time. Yeah, bye. Love to all.